Good evening and welcome to the Daily Market Update. The DSEX remained in the green zone for the third consecutive day and gained 12.56 points or 0.22%, settling at 5,727 points. Market turnover was 7.33 billion Bangladeshi takas, which is an increase of 17.31% compared to the previous trading day. Kohinoor Chemicals, Beacon Pharmaceuticals, and Beximco Pharmaceuticals from the pharmaceuticals and chemicals sector, Khan Brothers PP Woven Bag Industries, Walton High Tech Industries, and Mono Agro and General Machinery from the industrial sector, and Sonali Paper and Board, Paper Processing and Packaging Limited, and Bashanhar Paper Mills from the paper and printing sector mainly pulled the market up today. In terms of sector-wise return, the tannery sector posted the highest gain of 1.34%, while the pharmaceutical sector registered the second highest gain of 0.76%. On the other hand, the telecommunications sector posted the highest loss of 1.31%. 5 textile, 4 pharmaceuticals, and 3 jute companies were among the top 20 gainers today. RN Spinning Mills, Northern Jute Manufacturing and Paper Processing and Packaging Limited registered the highest gain, while Confident Cement, CAPMIBBL Islamic Mutual Fund, and Crystal Insurance Company were the top losers today. There was no disclosed price-sensitive information for these stocks. The trading volume of Reckitt Benckiser Bangladesh PLC, Jute Spinners, and Bangladesh Submarine Cables increased significantly today compared to the average trading volume of the last 3 months. The trading volume of Bangladesh Submarine Cables increased as they informed that the Bangladesh Securities and Exchange Commission (BSEC) has given its consent to issue of 22,133,333 ordinary shares, face value of 10 Bangladeshi takas, and premium of 65 Bangladeshi takas each, at a price of 75 Bangladeshi takas each for raising paid-up capital of the company. There was no publicly disclosed fundamental reason for the volume increase for the above-mentioned stocks. Top 2 news today. Economic activity in Bangladesh saw a slight recovery in August but remained in contraction, following a sharp decline in July amid deadly protests, as shown by the latest Bangladesh Purchasing Managers Index, PMI. The PMI rose to 43.5 in August, up 6.6 points from 36.9 in July, indicating some improvement. However, a PMI below 50 still represents contraction. The manufacturing sector also showed signs of recovery, climbing 13.6 points to 47.7, though it remains in a state of slowdown. While still below the expansion threshold, these improvements come as the interim government strives to restore political stability and normalize business activities following the end of the Awami League regime. Commercial banks with surplus funds are increasingly turning away from collateral-free call money investments, citing a trust deficit among peers, and opting for safer state-guaranteed instruments instead. Despite the higher rates offered in the call money market, banks are more inclined to place their uninvested money in the Standing Deposit Facility, SDF, or Bangladesh Bank's reverse repo, even at lower returns. The SDF, which saw minimal activity last financial year, has recently become a preferred choice, with banks depositing an average of 8 billion Bangladeshi takas daily in the past few weeks, a significant jump from the 4 billion Bangladeshi takas deposited throughout the entire FY24. That's all for today. Thank you.